Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet roses, small, medium and big. So we need wires for this. Okay, we need sapper for the bottom part like this, and we need leaf like this. Okay, now I'll show you how to crochet the small rose. And we need this is a kind of form. I bought it in the shop, then I cut it into like a ball because we are going to put inside here. Okay, now all this we need, put it aside. Okay, let's start with 5 single crochet in magic ring. Two, 3, 4, 5. Okay, pull it and slip stitch with the first one. Then we are going to increase in each stitch, 2 stitch in every stitch. So we will have 10 stitches here. Okay, 10 stitches, slip stitch, join. Then we are going to make 1 single crochet in one stitch. Then we are going to make 2 single crochet in next stitch. We are going to repeat this, 1, then 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We will have 15 stitches here. Now we are going to make 1 single crochet in 2 stitch. Then we are going to increase in next. 1 single crochet in 2 stitch, then increase. Repeat this till end. Okay, we'll have 20 stitches in this row. Next we are going to next row, 1 single crochet in 3 stitches. Then we are going to increase 1, 2, 3, increase 1, 2, 3, increase. Okay, repeat this. Okay, complete. We are going next row. We are going to make 1 single crochet in 4 stitches. The previous row was 25. Now we are going to make 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then increase 1, 2, 3, 4. Increase with 2 stitches there. Okay, again we are going to repeat this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Increase. Repeat. Okay, complete 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 stitches in. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going to make row 7. row 7 we are going to 1 single crochet in 11 stitches. Okay, 11 stitches, 1 single crochet, then we are going to make half double crochet in next stitch. We are going to make 2 half double crochet, 1 2, then we are going to make 1 half double crochet in 2 stitches. We are going to repeat this step 2 1 1 half double crochet. We are going to repeat again, then again 1 half double crochet, then the next we are going to make 2 half double crochet again. Okay, that's all. This is the step. 2 half double crochet, 1 1 in 2 stitches, then 2 half double crochet, 1 1 in 2 stitches, then we are going to end up with 2 half double crochet. The balance we will have 12 stitches. We will make with 1 single crochet. Okay, we complete 12 single crochet. Okay, slip stitch. Okay, now we are going to make 12 1 single crochet in 12 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Then we are going to make double crochet, 2 double crochet in 9 stitches, 2 double crochet in 9 stitches, 2 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 8 9. Make sure in 9 stitches 2 double crochet. Okay, 9 stitches. So now we will have the balance 12 stitches. We maintain with 1 single crochet. Okay, okay, complete the 12 stitches, slip stitch, then we are going to make 3 chain, then we are going to make 2 double crochet in the same place. Okay, that's all done. Now you can cut off the yarn. Okay, this is the petal. We need to do 4 petals for the small flower. Okay, okay, before we assemble we need to show it to the fire, because we can see this one like this, the yarn like this is coming out like that. So we will burn it a bit like this, show it to the buyer. Don't over burn it. Okay, like this. Before we assemble the petals, all the petals, we must show it to the fire like this. Okay, Okay, that's all. Then after this we will assemble it. Okay, we are going to assemble the small flower. We are going to insert this foam inside. Okay, like this. Okay, now we are going to make this flower put inside like this, and we are going to fold in. We are going to stick with the glue. Okay, so now I'm going to put the glue here. Both sides. And we are going to stick this one here and this part also. Okay. Careful with the glue, it's hot. Okay, now press like this, and I'm going to put glue here. Then I'm going to put like this, fold it like this. Okay, okay, now we are going to stick another one like this. Okay, we are going to stick it like this, so make sure you put the glue. Okay, we are going to put it like this. Like this. Okay, make sure you glue here. And this small one actually is a rose bud. Now we are going to make like this and this way, like this. Then another one is like this. We're going to stick like this. Okay, okay, now we are going to stick. You see, this is the line here, so from here we're going to stick it here. Okay, the first one still open a bit, so we are going to open it like that. The last one, white rose normally looks so beautiful. Now you see, this is the marking like this, and we are going to put this one out and this one inside. See, we are going to put this one, the first one come out. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. Look at this. Can you see? Like this. Okay, now we are going to put this one and insert inside. Okay, now we already put inside. We are going to glue this like this and stick. Press, huh? Press nicely. Just hold it for a while like this. Wow, it's hot. Okay, done. Nice, isn't it? Wow, beautiful. So now we are going to put the leaf here. I'm going to wrap with the tape, wrapping tape. But either you can put with the yarn also. You even can wrap with the yarn like this. Okay, like this. But if you feel very hard to do, you can just wrap with this. And put the leaf here. Wrap with the leaf together. So like this the leaf. Okay, our rose are ready. Wrap it. If you want to shorter this one also can. Okay, that's all. This tape is a bit got glue inside, so it will stick like that. Okay, I hope you like this flower, this rose. Okay, and you all will try also. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Okay, nice.